There is much to say about crypto.com/CRO price partnerships and corporate responsibility factors that are known to drive cryptocurrency CRO price prediction in the near future. In Australia, Crypto.com recently obtained a financial services license. It has also launched $200 million funds for crypto startups in an aggressive move. Furthermore, the Crypto.com exchange has introduced an NFT platform. They reached an agreement with the UFC and the Italian League. Crypto.com also signed partnership with PSG Football Club. The Crypto.com prediction exchange has launched a similar platform. The NBA's Lakers played their first game in the new Crypto.com arena on Christmas Day. Following the transaction's announcement, the CRO coin reached all-time highs, with many investors anticipating gains in the final month of 2021. As of the time of creating this video, the current coin market cap ranking is number 17, with a live market cap of $11,142,063,863. Crypto.com CRO prediction for 2022. The short-term CRO price in 2022 will range from 20 cents to 95 cents, according to CRO price prediction. Given the lack of any unexpected shocks or a rocky path ahead for the cryptocurrency market, the CRO forecast is poised to show a bullish sign, confirming its strong position as a major draw among its investor community. For the time being, the current price represents a reasonable level of return. Crypto.com CRO price prediction for 2023. CRO has established a reliable network and works with the product's user experience, which is based on algorithm calculation. These characteristics could contribute to the CRO coin's projected price increase to $1.60 per coin by the end of 2023. According to our Crypto.com CRO price prediction, if the drive for functional cryptocurrency prices continues into 2023, the price may even see a paradigm rush. Crypto.com CRO price prediction for 2024. The price of Crypto.com has been the subject of much speculation. Taking into account the Crypto.com forecast, technological announcements, and company progress, the coin price is expected to reach $4.10 by the end of 2024, making it valuable for coin users and investors. Price prediction for Crypto.com CRO in 2025. The Crypto.com coin price prediction, CRO, is also involved in community initiatives with a focus on education, outreach, and innovation, which could result in the coin price prediction reaching $6.50 or $9.20 by the end of 2025, according to our forecast. The token is expected to catch up with other cryptocurrencies, and the CRO price prediction 2025 will stabilize to provide excellent returns to its users. Price forecast for Crypto.com CRO in 2030. The coin will be worth 95 cents on average in 2022 and $9.20 on average in 2025, according to Price Predictions Crypto.com CRO price forecast. The Crypto.com CRO price will reach $65.82 by 2030, according to the site. Like, share, subscribe, and please leave your prediction.